Alright, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our flag racing bird, Bandit. Bandit is green-winged macaw, or also known as a red and green macaw. These birds are widespread in the forests and open woodlands of northern to central South America. And there we go, folks. Our show has officially started. A round of applause, please, for a flag racing bird, Bandit. Our next featured birds, they're just like any best of friends. And best of friends can sometimes be competitive. Alright, now let's call in a beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw, blue and azul. And today they will battle it out. Who's the best? Okay, here comes azul. Alright, before we start this battle, I'll be inviting you guys into two groups. Now for the girls, let's cheer for azul. Come on girls, say, go azul, go azul. Alright, now for the boys, let's cheer for blue. Come on boys, say, go blue, go blue. Alright, the trainers, birds ready? Ready, set, go. Come on guys, let's cheer for the here comes the blue for the first ball. Come on blue. First ball also for blue. Second ball for both birds. And here comes blue shaking and faded. That's alright, azul. Okay, so I think the girls deserves another race. Okay, let's do a ring race. So the mechanics of this game is the first bird to drop the rear race into the pole, the fastest is the winner. That's the ring race. Okay, second one is azul. Okay, there you go. Alright, trainers, birds ready? Ready, set, go! Come on girls, let's cheer for Azul to win this time. Alright, here comes Azul. Hey, what is this? Azul speaking out the news at the same time. What a clever game by the girls. Alright, let's give her applause for a beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw, blue and azul. Alright, now at this point, we would like to show you our birds in flight. So everyone, please remain seated under your cameras as they will fly above your heads. Okay, can I have your money bill? Alright, sir. Let's face towards the table. Alright, sir, please extend your left arm like this. Okay, I'll put the money bill between your fingers. Alright, sir, no matter what happens, don't move your arms, okay? Alright, so let's call in our money bird, blue. Alright, there you go. Blue flies over. Cool. Nice standing blue. Fix the money. What will you do with the money, blue? Alright, blue flies back on the table and blue wants to. There you go. Donated the money. Let's give them applause for our volunteer. Sir, I'll send him money. Are you sure? How about a 500 peso bill another? Second round. Wala na? Alright, sir. We're actually just getting into this part of the show. Let's go there in front and we will turn your money. But before that, you will have a photo of our ticket you will. We're together with Blue on Instagram. More? Alright, thank you so much, Blue. Here's your phone, sir. And here's your money bag. Let's give our applause for our volunteer. Once again, our money bird, blue. Alright guys, who here loves math? Isa ka ng math today? Wala. Parehas kita niyo. But everyone here knows addition, right? We all know addition. Well, the next part of the program will leave most people baffled and amazed. Even as trainers, do you think birds can do math? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Alright, so before we proceed, I'll be needing two numbers from you guys between 1 to 50. Alright, first number please. 1 to 50. First number. 7. 7? Okay, it's number 7. How about second number? 8. Number 8. Okay, 7 plus 8. Alright, so simula ka yung equation na. It's 7 plus 8. We all know the answer, right?
May
We must not tell the answer yet. Let us see from mathematical wizard. Can solve this equation for us. But before that, let's let me shuffle the numbers first.
Ala.
Ogansin.
Ogansin. Hindi, 3 na bulgid siya.
Alright, so the numbers has been shuffled. Let's call it a mathematical wizard. Snow. Alright, that's snow. Scientific name is Tarantula molescensis. These birds are endemic in the surrounding archipelago of eastern Indonesia. And they are the largest among the white cockatoo species. Okay, have a close look at snow, guys. You can take photos. Okay, as you can see, snow right there has a pinkish white colored feathers. That is why they're also called a salmon-breasted cockatoo. Also, they have this light yellowish color under the wing and under their tail feathers. Okay, just like any other cockatoo species, Bulupan cockatoos
Ay, kanindot
are
color.
very loud birds and they can mimic almost any sound. Kung kita lang sa YouTube ka ng mga white parrots, katabihan tayo, most likely Bulupan cockatoos na sila. Okay. Also, very distinct sa cockatoo species is they have this crest. Kanang murag payong silang ulugaw. It is called the crest. Gawas na siya if threatened or excited ang bird. Okay, ready to snow? Let's now solve the equation for us, please. Okay, Civics number 1. The first number correct? Yes, let's now after the second number. Let's go, snow. There you go.
Ah! No, luwi ka kay.
Alright, now for the next part to show you guys, we'll be up close with our 3 different types of parrots. Here in Cebu Oceanpark, we have our green-winged macaw bandit, our blue and gold macaw goldie, and our reflective parrot, red. Okay.
Wow!
We'll discuss
What do
with
you
you guys
think
the
about
differences. You will know more about these birds. Let's bandit, our green-winged macaw. As you can see, his body is covered with mostly red plumage. His wing and tail feathers are blue and green. That macaw has a white naked face, striped with small red feathers. The scientific name of green-winged macaw is Ara chlorotus. Right, bandits? Say hi to them. Hi. Okay. So, on your left is Goldie, or blue and gold macaw. Blue and gold macaws has a beautiful shade of blue on their back and a solid shade of yellow on their bellies and inner wings. Their eyes and beaks are solid black. Blue and gold macaw's scientific name is Ara ararauna. Okay, so what we hear is red, our eclectus parrot. Eclectus parrots are very unusual in the parrot family. That is because of their extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning you can easily distinguish if it's a male or a female bird by just looking at their feathers. Okay, so red right here is a female eclectus parrot. That is because, of her bright red colored feathers. While as of the male, they will appear bright green colored feathers. Okay, so scientific name of eclectus parrot is Eclectus roratus. An eclectus parrot can live up to 30 years old. What I'm across right there, they can live up to 70 years old. Okay, so that's it for 3 types of parrots here in Cebu Oceanpark. We have bandit, red, and goldie. kept engaged and occupied. Now who knows this game? This is called the shape box puzzle. Do you remember playing this game while you were still kids? Now let's call in Ben once again, and he's going to show us how intelligent it is by putting all the shapes right back to their correct slots.
Okay.
Also guys, Bandit is a dancing bird here in Cebu Ocean Park. Kung makita mo sa mga videos sa Ocean Park, na siya. Kasi kayo masayaw. Okay, did you know guys, Green macaws is the second largest parrot next to the hyacinth macaw. And they're known as the gentle giant of the parrot family. Okay, take note, although the shape box puzzle is a very big figure, this is not possible without Bandit's intelligence, memory, and perception. They use this skill in the wild to find food and find shelter. There you go, intelligent, right? A round of applause, please, for Green Bandit. Alright guys, I have here an object, which is a ball, that I will hide under one of these 3 silver cups. Alright, so where do you want me to put this ball? On your left, right, or in the middle? Again, which side? Left, right, or in the middle? Ito lang, para dili pa katulog akong bird. Nasa mo yun? There. Okay, let's put it right here. Alright, now let's call in our psychic bird, Goldie. Alright, so guys, do you believe that Goldie has the ability to find the hidden object? If it's a yes, that means you say, you can do it, Goldie. Alright, Goldie, find the hidden object for us, please. Where could it be? There you go, you found it. Round of applause for our psychic bird, Goldie.
Ka-bright.
Alright, and for our next featured birds, they're very different from our colorful, fluffy parrots. They're called the birds of prey, also known as the raptors. Raptor came from the Latin word rapiere, meaning to seize or take by force. And these birds are characterized by their excellent flying ability. And they have this keen vision. So around the world, there are 446 species of raptors. And here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have 2 types of raptors. We have a gravity kite and a Philippine serpent eagle. Alright, first up, let's call in a gravity kite eagle.
Wow.
Scientific name of gravity kite is Paliaston indus. And they are widespread all over the Southeast Asia. And they can be found in Bangladesh, Pakistan, and along China. They are called as eagles in Australia. Also guys, they can be found here in the Philippines, and they are locally known as Lawi or Banog in the Visayas region.
Kip, oh, banog kip.
Yes, you can see
ng banog.
gravity kites have, you can see, and they have this delicate body. You can look for smaller animals,
Gitrain siya.
such as insects and fish. Okay. So, mauna siya, no? Gravity kite ang tawag na mga piso sa inyong kamukha.
Mga piso. Wala gi matrain gani di ay. Sa may plano kay magkuha ko sa sige nagpangwag piso sa ato ah.
There you go. That's it for gravity kite. Eagle. One more minute. Okay guys. Both are gravity kite and serpent eagle are rescued animals, meaning they were
Na siya
delivered
hukot.
by the Navy and Army.
Gikapoy na siya.
That's ready for eagle.
Ala. Mahadok sa mahulog.
Also, kung makita ko patang lawin, mauna siya ang logo ni Kuya Kim. Lawin. Let's go, Tino. Okay. Nice flight, Kingdom. There you go, that's it for Gravity Kite Kingdom. Up next for birds of prey, let's call in our Philippine serpent eagle. Ready. Okay, that's ready, our Philippine serpent eagle. Scientific name is Pilotis conspicuous. They can
Piso ba?
which
Basta
find
piso.
other eagle species
Oh, murag
due to the
piso.
dark spots on their body. They also have this naked yellow face,
Piso siya?
naked yellow feet.
Mura siya piso. Oh, sa
As you can see, guys, eagles have heavier and they have this stronger body. It tends to prey on larger animals such as rodents, other birds, and snakes. That's why they're also called the serpent eagle, because in the wild they feed on snakes and other reptiles. Again, guys, it's a Philippine serpent eagle. Also, as you can see,
Parang piso bang
right
dako,
there,
Kev?
it's using the block gloves, and it's called the falconry gauntlets. It's to protect our skin from their sharp talons and beaks. Also, we have the whistle, so we call our birds of prey. Alright, up next for flying birds, let's call in our homing pigeons.
Oh,
Okay, ito yung on my left. Right here.
tanaw na gawas ng dam. Pangingang lit ko rapid yun. Halo pa din sila. Asa naman to?
Okay, happy na sila. There you go. Homing pigeons has an innate homing ability, meaning they can go back to their nest and mate. They also have a special sense of the magnetoreception, where they can detect the Earth's magnetic field to see direction, altitude, and location. Alright, so that's it for birds of prey and homing pigeons. Now here in Cebu Park, we believe there is hope. We're not only trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also to those who are in the land and air as well. Now we follow the 3 R's, because they reduce, reuse, and
Recycle.
Alright, now let's call in our lovely parrots once again, and they're going to show us how to do the proper waste disposal by following the 3 R's. Helps keep our environment clean and fresh, save the earth from global warming, and reduces environmental pollution. Well, sad to say, guys, a lot of animals are struggling their lives right now due to pollution caused by improper waste management. Please, let's not say one of the greatest creation of God and a gift of Mother Nature. See, if man can do it, then what can we? Ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of our bird show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own ways, no matter how small the effort we take, let's take action in saving them from extinction. And please, let's do our part in saving this wonderful world, because remember, this is the only home we've got. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and goodbye. Say goodbye, Bennett. Bye.
Ah. So, bye! So, yun yung adventure namin dito sa Cebu Ocean Park. See you in my next vlog. Bye!